Meet the CTEK CS ONE battery charger, the world's most advanced yet easiest to use charging solution. Powered by APTO adaptive charging, it automatically adjusts its charging algorithm for any 12-volt battery. It works with all vehicle batteries up to 180 ampere hours, adapting to size, health, temperature, and even polarity. Just connect the clamps and plug it in. The CS ONE takes care of everything automatically. About the product. Charging any battery is now easier than ever with the CTEK CS ONE. Its APTO adaptive charging technology automatically handles everything, so you don't even need to worry about connecting the clamps correctly. With smart app control, you can unlock extra features and customize the experience. Super simple, super smart, simply CS ONE. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the CTEK CS ONE battery clamps, user manual. How to use. First, connect the clamp to the CS ONE and then the charging point to the vehicle. Next, just plug the CS ONE power lead to the outlet, and the display LEDs will do a couple of cycles to show that it's recognizing the battery and working out the state of charge. And when the start LED lights, the CS ONE is charging and good to go. Now, you might have noticed that both clamps are colored black, and that's because they are polarity-free. This means that you can put any clamp on either of the charging points, and the CS ONE will automatically work out which is which. This is perfectly safe, so you don't need to worry about positive and negative connections, because when you're charging your battery with the CS ONE, there's no wrong way around. App control. Just go to Google Play or App Store, search for CTEK app, and download it to your smartphone. If this is the first time you've used the app, click on Sign Up and create your account. If you've already got an account, just sign in as normal. Once you've done that, power up your CS ONE, and you will see two flashing blue LEDs on the display. Within the app, press the plus graphic to add the CS ONE to the product list, and it will search for the new charger. Once the app has found the charger, you will need to accept a message that asks if you want to connect via Bluetooth. You will need to click on the Approve button. After you have done this, you can choose to name the charger. Here I'm calling it CS ONE. Then simply press Save to add it to the product list. Now, every time you use the CS ONE, the app will recognize the charger and automatically connect, provided the app is open and you are within Bluetooth range. If there's an exclamation mark in the top right-hand corner, it means there's a firmware update available. Please click on the exclamation mark to automatically download this update. You will need to be in Bluetooth range to do this. Adaptive charging on the My Charger page. APTO adaptive charging will be pre-selected, so if you just want to charge, simply attach the clamps to the vehicle charging points and you're good to go. The app will then show you how long there is to go until your battery is fully charged. You can also adjust the brightness of the LEDs using the slider on this page. In the advanced settings, you can select Show Session Details to view real-time voltage and amperage being delivered by the CS ONE. The app also helps you to unlock some great additional features. You can choose Wake Up for lithium batteries with undervoltage protection, or to bring deeply discharged lead-acid batteries back to life. When the Wake Up mode has finished, the APTO adaptive charging program will start automatically. The second additional function is the Recon mode if your 12-volt lead-acid battery needs restoring or reconditioning. This mode should only be used with 12-volt lead-acid wet and calcium batteries. You can also turn your CS ONE into a 12-volt supply. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.